Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saifullah from sktacademy.com. In this video, we will learn how to apply a logo mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So I created a logo in Adobe Illustrator. No matter in which software you designed your logo, if it is Corel Drive, if it is Photoshop or Illustrator or another graphic designing software, but you will have to convert it to PNG and then apply it in Adobe Photoshop. So I will go to File, Export, and in the top I have folder Mockup folder, and here I will have to select PNG, and you can rename it if you want. So I will export it, and I want my background to be transparent, and if you want resolution you can change, but this is okay, and I will press OK. So I exported my logo. Now I will minimize my Adobe Illustrator and I will open Adobe Photoshop. I already opened a mockup file. So if you click here, I have a folder name change design here. Click, and I have two designs. One is black cup and one is white. So first I will click on one design, and you can see here this is a design, a logo design on white cup. So if you want, you can open it, open, and select that folder, object mockup folder. This is my logo. Open it, and now drag it. You can drag it here. So I will pause the video a bit. So I drag my logo here, and with Control T you can resize it if you want, but with my video recorder it won't work. So you will have to change it to, for example, 80 and 80. If it is not working, you can resize it later more, 60, and you can move it around. With my video recorder some tools are not working. I will apply it, and I will move it with arrow key. You can see here with arrow key you can move it around. With control I will resize it more, 90 again. So this is my logo. I will delete or hide this layer, and here I will close it, and yes. So I will see here, you can see here, this is our logo applied on a cup. Now if you want this one, so you also can do it. I will open this one, and you can see this logo is white. So if I select with Control C, and here I will have to press Control V, paste it, double click here, and you can give it a color of white. You can see here white color. Okay, now with Control T you can resize it. I will give it a height and width of 50. So I think this is okay. and press enter, and now move it with the arrow keys. The up arrow key, you can move it. Now delete or lock, hide this layer and close it. Yes, and here you can see it is applied on this cup. So this is a simple way how to apply a logo mockup. One guy requested me to apply a cup mockup, so this is how it is a simple like visiting card, but the main thing is you must have export your logo as PNG without background, so it will be easy for you to apply it. So that's it. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. See you in next videos. Bye.